Pooja, why are the systems so slow again? This keeps happening.
Sir, looks like another technical glitch. We'll need to call external support again.
Sorry for the delay. I had 2 other calls before this. We can't keep losing time and money like this. We need a better solution.
Introducing InfoTroop, your trusted AMC solution provider for seamless IT support.
With our AMC service, you'll get proactive maintenance, priority support, and zero downtime.
Exactly what we need. What does it include?
Hardware and software maintenance, network support, remote assistance, and monthly health checks.
It's been a month since we partnered with InfoTroop, and we've had no issues.
Yeah, that's what AMC is all about. Prevention, not reaction.
InfoTroop transformed our IT operations. No more downtime, no more delays. AMC is the smartest decision we made. Thank you, InfoTroop.
InfoTroop Annual Technical Services. Fast, reliable, professional IT support. From server crashes to preventive care, we've got your back.